So what we did is UNESCO reports that in the sub-Saharan Africa, we have an average of 14 students sharing a single textbook. And we were actually some of the students who felt this pain. So back in the days when we were in high school, it was very difficult for us to access past exam papers.
In the rural areas of Zimbabwe, around 8 students are sharing the same textbook. It's an online platform that hubs everything educational, from textbooks, past exam papers, marking schemes, which is providing this for a sub-Saharan secondary to tertiary education student. We have learned a lot in Cairo. The boot camp was actually beneficial. So we now want to take what we have learned in Cairo and apply it in Chunfine so that you can apply it in Zimbabwe so that we can scale our program.